Now, stakeholders in the pest control products sector have called for a serious intervention on how counterfeit products are accessing the Kenyan market. Now, they noted this is a huge danger to the country's agriculture sector.
Our farmers still remain behind in terms of knowledge, in terms of how to handle these particular products, in terms of how to dispose waste containers, in terms of how to observe what we call pre-harvest interval.
It is not only on waste management on the pesticide, it is for anything imported into this country. The essence is whoever is importing, that's responsibility. Even the one for water bottles and everything else, even the tires and everything else. But important to mention is classifications are different. We cannot put all these together, in one single collection point. So for ours, we have been put into what we call ASADA's Producer Responsibility Organization of Kenya, and it makes sure that all the importers are members or register with actually those particular, the area where they belong.